Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Guild Wars Reforged error, and the error is your device isn't compatible with this version. So if you're getting this error, your device isn't compatible with this version while downloading or installing Guild Wars Reforged game on Android devices, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Guild Wars Reforged mobile requirements. If you are on Android, it requires Android 10 or later, roughly 2 GB of free storage space and modern mid-range hardware, example Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 or equivalent. If you are on iOS devices, then it requires iOS 26.0 or later for iPhone and iPad. So if you meet these Android requirements and if still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to clear Google Play app cache. You can go to settings, app, Google Play Store, storage, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing the cache, open Play Store and then search for Guild Wars Reforged game and then try to install it. If that does not work, then again go to settings, apps, Google Play Store, storage, and then tap on clear data and then launch Play Store app and then try to install the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So here I will show you how to do it on Android device. So tap and hold the Play Store app icon, then click on app info, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then go back, launch the Google Play Store app and then try to install the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also tap on clear data and then again click on delete to confirm, then go back, open Play Store, tap on search for Guild Wars and search for Guild Wars Reforged game and then try to install it and check. Fix 2 is to Google Play System Update. So go to settings, security and privacy, system and updates and tap on Google Play System Update, and after updating it, launch the Play Store and then try to install the game and check. So here I will show you how to do Google Play System Update on Android device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, scroll down, tap on system and updates, scroll down, tap on Google Play System Update. This will check for updates, so please wait. And if you find any updates, then click on download and install. And once this downloading update get completes, please take a note, your device might restart to complete the update. So just wait for it. And once this update completes, then you can open Play Store and then try to install the game and check. As you can see that it is showing restart to update. So tap on restart now, and once your device restart, then you can open the Play Store app and then try to install the Guild Wars Reforged game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to system update. So go to settings, system or software update and ensure your Android is up to date to the latest available version. And after doing the system update, open Play Store and then try to install the game and check. So here I will show how to perform a system update. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and update, tap on software update, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your device. And after your device restart, then you can open the Play Store and then try to install the game and check. Fix for alternative installation, but use with caution. If your phone is showing the same error but you still want to try running the game, then you can sideload it. Now please take a note, sideloading requires enabling install unknown apps in your device security settings. You can sideload it from the UpToDown website. So you can go to the UpToDown website and search for Guild Wars Reforged game and then you can install it on your Android device. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Guild Wars Reforged your device isn't compatible with this version on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.